everyone, welcome back to the 1975 Chevy C10 build. In this part, we actually get the truck running. We fixed the transmission and everything, so I didn't want to record that because we did that in between episodes, but I did not want to bore y'all with it. So basically it's just taking it out, adjusting it, and sticking it back in. So we adjusted the linkages and then they should be all fine. Now, we noticed that there's a ton of backfiring in the truck. We don't know why. We're trying to figure out that problem. But it's time to play around with it, burn some rubber. So, let's get into that. Yeah, that's too small, so we got a bigger one.
That's too big.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Big. Dang it.
No power steering fluid. Dang, smoking. You smoked some tires back there. There's a line right there.
See, to test it is they took an air hose.
Yeah.
And they run it right past the hose, and it should open that up.
Yeah. Have you adjusted the carburetor anymore?
No, I need to. I need to readjust it.
Yeah, should have a bolt here to hold that thing steady.
Yeah, it needs to have something.
Yep.
This hitting right here.
Whoa! Ooh, it is leaking back there though, I think.
I want that plate.
So we don't know what's causing the backfiring, but we're going to change out to new spark plugs. Hopefully that would actually work. So we're going to go to the store. One of them could be misfiring or something, but as you can see, it actually looks like, well, it's black, so it looks like it's almost too rich. Back with some power steering fluid, some lubricant, and these 8 spark plugs. These were $40. This was, I forgot how much this was, and this was $2. So we're going to check the gap on these and see if they are 35. They come individually wrapped too, which is crazy. These are the new ones, and those are the old ones over there that are painted red. So I just checked all the spark plugs with this spark plug gap tool, and all of them are 35, which is supposed to be the default spacing on here. So that's good. So we're gonna plug them in now. This is after the spark plugs are in. It's even worse now. Pick her up. Power steering might need new pump. Yeah, it might be. Yeah. Oh, he didn't spin the tires that time. Oh, glove box fell down. You know my seat ain't bolted down, right? If I fly out, just come and pick me up. With the no. Yeah. Don't tear up the transmission. Yeah. It doesn't do very good on gravel, does it? You spin tires too much. Yeah. That's what accidentally spin the tires too much is from. Somebody messing with something, burning up. Do it, do it. You need to show them who's boss here. Oh, they quit. Yeah, they quit. There they go. 350.
Where's the key?
Oh, over here. Forget speaking in tongues, we're speaking in trucks.
He hollered, "What you got?"
I think we left the windows down overnight. I think there's been birds in here just pooping all in my truck. Yeah, that's what you call. See us car enthusiasts, truck enthusiasts, old vehicle, and you see us old vehicle enthusiasts have our own language. Yeah. So that's pretty cool. We finally got this in. We ordered it like on a Tuesday and it came in today, which is a Thursday, and it costed about $15, $15 or $25. Does the other one have a check valve?
No, I mean in here.
Oh. Oh yeah. So this one, suction cups.
It does too.
But this one has a lip on it, that one doesn't. Now it's time to test drive the truck. A pretty distant ways to our grandparents' house. It's like the 4th time we put the battery in. I need to go get me another one. Just lifted that 5-gallon thing of gas. This doesn't have seatbelts, does it? We're just gonna have some fun driving around, burning some rubber, making some black streaks on the road, everything you possibly could think of with this kind of engine in the truck. We're doing this because we want to make sure that the truck actually runs perfectly fine, and hopefully it would stop backfiring. We're trying to figure that out now, but actually I believe that we could fix the truck.
Give it gas, it's...
You know that Cadillac I told you about it, they had to retime it.
See, I ain't got the timing tightened down either.
Peace, my brother. That's it, peace. That's what you call camming it, boys.
Timing's still off. We advanced the timing a little bit. We did everything we could, and now it's not backfiring as much. But now we're trying to figure out the transmission, see if we could actually burn the rubber and quit the engine from boggling down. I said boggling down, it's bogging down. But the engine bogs down whenever you're at a certain RPM, whenever you're trying to spin tires and burn rubber. But we think it's because we started out in 1st gear and you should go to 2nd gear. 3rd test! He's going to test if that distributor head is going to move, because we tested with the advanced the timing a little bit. Hopefully it will not backfire again. So this is our 3rd test. Gonna test it out. It might be our final test, it might not. So here we go. Here he comes. He's looking to make sure no one's coming. No cops. Oh! Push the gas down. Woohoo! You do? Oh yeah, just don't mind the black streaks in the road. Oh no, did you break the brakes? Broke the brakes? Hope you didn't broke the brakes. Brakes the brakes. Feel the brake?
Yeah, love the brake.
You know, it's just testing it out. Gotta clean off the tires a little bit.
And the metal's not. So you can take all that off down to the metal. Right here.
Oh, there's metal underneath this.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought.
Yeah,
all
see, this is all, look, it's all metal.
Yep.
So if you put some foam on there and wrap it
Yeah.
Yeah.
and do away with that. Oh, you gotta shift fast.
Oh yeah.
That's why I quit spinning it as far as...
Emergency brake works. We need to tighten this down. Put that on, tighten it all down, clean up this place. We were wanting to replace the dash.
I know we need the dash cluster, stuff like that.
Around here, but I will wire next to a big old gray international blowback.
Yeah. C10, C10. His doesn't have a cam though. That one has a cam. That's going to be it for today's video. I know it's a little shorter than the other ones. We just wanted to test it out and actually play around with it. We just wanted to test it out and make sure everything's working. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Goodbye.